What I'm trying to do is clean this up. Got a little rust. Alright, I cleaned that up a little bit. Now I'm gonna take a bottle of water, clean up my mess. Don't tell my wife I'm gonna use her bottle of water though. Sometimes we gotta do what we gotta do to get the job done. Alright. And we're back. I'm gonna try to rinse my little area off where I was trying to sand and clean it up. Maybe I better dump that water out a little bit since it has been winterized. I forgot to get gloves. Hold on guys, I'm gonna get gloves. Alright, I'm back. I had to put on my gloves. No glove, no love. I'm gonna dump that water out only because I've already winterized. I don't think that'll hurt anything. But, hey, I don't need it anyway. So this is what I did. I cleaned this up. I don't know if you can see that. Well, of course you can see it because I can see it. But that area was a little rusty before. So I sanded it a little bit. Clean it up. What happened is I noticed I saw a little drip of water coming out of there. So I wanted to sand it, try to make it a little bit better. Alright. Now let's just tighten that up. And of course you watch my other videos. So you know how to put this on and tighten this up. It might be harder actually, since I got the top on. Last time I had the bottom on. Nope, not harder. Alright. I might even replace this hose clamp in the spring. I don't know. Not my favorite. Alright. Oh, sanded that, put that back on, guys. And we're out. I'm about to go do some exterior stuff.